Chapter 6. What is the difference between Black History and Black Future Month? Now, if we are going to successfully operate 2 months dedicated to melanated minds and bodies, these months must be distinct and different in their own right. Black History Month has a very distinct purpose. It was created to reflect upon the social impacts and contributions of Black people to America throughout history. This is our time to celebrate heroes like Frederick Douglass, Harriet Tubman, Oprah Winfrey, Madam C.J. Walker, Dr. Martin Luther King, and so many other people that have positively impacted not only the Black community, but American history. So what shall be the difference? Well, while Black History Month celebrates the impact that has already been created, Black Future Month will celebrate those who are impacting generations to come, our rising youth, and the creating of a vision for Black future. This is a perfect time to highlight some of our young people impacting society like Nipsey Hussle, Mariah Watson, Jordan Peele, Colin Kaepernick, and other leading instrumental Black leaders that will no doubt have an impact in the future. Maybe this month is to celebrate you. This is also our time to invest additional resources and funds into our youth. Scholarship fundraising, donating to HBCUs, and donating to other nonprofit organizations that are building the foundation for the future will be very impactful for Black Future Month. It is also an amazing time for creatives like musicians, poets, filmmakers, or influencers at large to create artwork based on their vision for the future. I see extravagant galas with philanthropic goals. I see children eager to imagine, and I see newer and truer Mona Lisas. While Black History Month is a very hands-on and tactile month, Black Future Month will be the opposite. It will be visionary, creative, theoretical. This is an important difference. It is important for us to imagine. It is important for us to create. It is important for young folks to understand that they can create the future with their imagination and dedication. All right, activity time. And really, I just want you to take a moment to think about the difference between Black History Month and Black Future Month. When you think about these two, hopefully very distinct and separate months, for you, what is the key difference? What is your focus when you go through Black History Month? What people, what images do you typically celebrate? What type of businesses do you typically support? And now when you think about Black Future Month, does that change or does that stay the same for you?